If you're looking for condos in McCall, you need to check out Lick Creek Meadows. It's located downtown near the McCall City Golf Course and then right next to Ponderosa State Park. There's also a bus stop right off of Carico Road, and that'll take you all around downtown. So it's very centrally located. Let's go check out this unit. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, and we want to thank Conrad Lee with Boise Premier for letting us tour his listing today. Hey, so come on in. So this complex was built in the early 1980s, or this one hasn't actually been updated yet, but you do have the chance to make it your own. You can kind of see there's like this retro wood-burning fireplace that's here in the living room. So on the other side of this wall from the living room, you can see we have a galley kitchen is how it's currently set up. I don't know if this wall is load bearing or not, but if it's not, you could possibly take it down and move the cabinet space over here to really open up the living room. Another cool thing about this particular complex is you do have this back porch area. It has an awning, it's pretty private. If you had, a small dog, you could put up a little baby gate here and keep them enclosed in your own private fenced area. So you've seen the living room and kitchen and the back porch. When you turn right from the front door, instead of left, you have the laundry room with water heater. And then you do have this half bathroom downstairs, which goes into the garage area. If I were to remodel this myself, what I would do is add a corner shower in this area, lining up with the bathroom coming out, and not take up too much garage space, but make it a full 2 bathrooms. Let's go check out the upstairs. So all 3 bedrooms are located on the 2nd floor. You've got bedroom number 1, and this particular bedroom does have a balcony that goes out to the patio area. This condo also has electric baseboard heating. This is 2nd bedroom, really big log bed. It is being sold fully furnished. And then this will be the 3rd bedroom. 3rd bedroom has access to the bathroom, and there's another access point from the hallway right when we came up the steps. There's different things about condos around town that really draw my interest, and it seems like this one I would love for somebody to come in and renovate it and make it completely modern. I just think that would be such a cool thing for someone to do. Another thing is that the agent has told me that the owners will entertain an owner financing option, and that opens up doors for so many different buyers and also could allow for a negotiable interest rate that would allow for you to do those repairs. So if that's something that interests you, reach out and give me a call. I'm happy to show you this unit in person.